Hey guys, this is Joshua Peterson here, Peterson Electric. This is at my house. If you guys don't believe in surge protection, check out this lightning storm. If you have valuables in your house, if you've got lots of computers for work, if you have, your electric car plugged in, if you've got a hot tub, if you guys have electric water heaters, furnace boards, you might want to think about a surge protector on your home. I know some people don't think it's worth it, but all it takes is one strike, and this lightning storm is unreal. This thing is just pounding. And I swear, one of my neighbors just got hit, and it touched down. And how do you know it touched down? Typically, it makes a huge crack. But I usually get 2-3 lightning storms a year. And basically, it touches the hot water flue or your fireplace flue. You could have a satellite dish on the side of your house, or maybe you just have a metal roof. You also got to make sure that you've got at least 2 8-foot ground rods bonding your service to your house. It's wise to have your cold water bond and then have an inter-system bonding bridge bar. Uh-oh, we got hail. Oh boy, I hope my trucks are going to be okay. This is unreal. Lightning was just everywhere surrounding. It's usually hail weather in Colorado. It's the 3rd week of June. You don't want to say that there's some real funky times going on. That's crazy. Guys, if you're using your house as an electrical gas station for your car, you should protect it. And don't be so cheap about it, because everybody who seems to buy an EV car is pretty dang cheap. They want the charger put in cheap, they want the wire put in cheap, and they sure as hell don't want to spend money on a surge protector. So while you're going and buying your over $100,000 Rivian or $60,000 to $100,000 Tesla, you might want to think twice if your house is a gas station, at least an electron station. Look at this. We're getting more and more of this every year. And I grew up in Colorado, so I'm as native as it comes. But this is just getting worse through the years. Anyways, guys, thanks for joining us. Hopefully that'll convince you to get a surge protector.